25 inches from the back of the gutter to the trim. Subtract 5, 20 inches. Ooh, I should do this first. Crimp one end. Two elbows. Make sure it's straight. I always crimp one end. I think I already did it. But, an outlet, 2 3/8. 2 3/8 door hole saw for doors. Stretch that open. Crimp one end of the downspout so I don't have to come back down. Return. Get my outlet. I don't need anything else besides 2 straps. Mark it straight. Dead battery. Obviously, it shows I didn't plan on making a video. But I thought I'd share it. I know how to do everything. I've been doing gutters for 25 years. Pretty much almost everything. Nice and snug. Don't spin the screw. Half-inch mill white to a 1-inch mill wood screw. Let's see how good I am. I'll guess that. If you don't have a saw, you can use a cutter. Make your line, cut above it.
What are you talking to?
I'm making a video. Myself? Did you hear me get a response? If you did, you're crazy too. Hey, did you hear I got a response? And if you got one, that means you're crazy too.
Yeah, right?
Cut your wrist off. It's way too long. We want to keep it about that high because we're going to give them an extension. These lefties. Oh yeah, hi. You almost forgot.
What?
I got a hidden camera. That's okay, we're in the open.
Now we're on private property. What are you talking about?
It's allowed. Public. Nobody wants to see your ugly butt anyhow. Oh, that. Yeah. Don't spin the screw. One-inch screw. For the strap. My mouth is a screw holder. That's strong. It won't never move. But if you wanted to make it stronger, just put a screw right on the side right here to make it stronger. I'm going to make it my winter extension. It's removable. Oh yeah. I made it as long as the sidewalk, but I'm gonna cut a little back so nobody would trip on it. There, right to the very edge. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that lesson on how to do a downspout.
Quick and easy. Straight.
Want to see? There's the extension. There's where I put my screws. And there's the downspout. And there's the downspout straight. Whoa, you can't even see it in the camera. And now off to the other customs that I did. That was a compound custom rig. Try doing that. Compound custom to another custom compound over, and I have a downspout at the end. Alright everyone, thanks for enjoying my video. Until next time.